In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the too many free trial accounts used on this machine error in Cursor AI. Whether you're testing Cursor AI on a new device or reinstalling it after your trial expired, this step-by-step guide will help you reset everything and start fresh without running into the same issue again. First, open your computer settings and uninstall Cursor AI completely. If you're on Windows, type Control Panel into the search bar and press Enter. From there, click on Programs, then uninstall a program, find Cursor AI in the list, select it, and hit Uninstall. This step ensures that any corrupted or leftover files from a previous installation are removed properly. If you're on a Mac, open Finder, click on Go in the top menu, and select Go to Folder. In the pop-up window, type ~library application support / and hit Enter. Look for any folders related to Cursor AI and delete them completely. This clears out any hidden files that could be causing the error. Next, it's time to reinstall Cursor AI. Open your web browser and visit cursor.com. Click on Download, and once the installation file is ready, follow the on-screen steps to reinstall the software. After the installation is complete, you'll need to create a new account. Make sure to use a completely new email address that hasn't been linked to Cursor AI before. This is crucial since the system blocks repeated trial attempts from the same email or device. To make the process smoother, ensure your internet connection is stable and clear your browser cache or cookies before signing up. This helps prevent any data from your old account from interfering with the new installation. Once your new account is created, log in and start using Cursor AI again. You should now have full access to the free trial without the too many accounts error. If after doing all this, the issue still persists, it's a good idea to reach out to Cursor AI's support team. Go to cursor.com, scroll down to the support or contact section and submit a short message explaining your issue. They can help reset your device ID or manually fix the account limitation. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix the too many free trial accounts used issue in Cursor AI and enjoy a smooth, fresh start. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped get your Cursor AI running perfectly again.